Bisaya na dako, way pati when magbuot.
May nga adlaw sa tanan ug welcome sa another episode sa among vlog. Karong adlaw atong agtuon ang syudad sa La Carlota ug ilahang simbahan ug ang ilahang sugar mill. So before that, mangaon sa ta diri sa Kanlaon. Tara, kaon ta na. May kaon guys, then padong na may sa La Carlota. Tara, ito na.
You know my name. You have seen me through the sunshine and the rain. You know my smile, how to lift me when the road goes for a while. Every day I find another reason just to say I am grateful for each morning, for the hope that's growing stronger every day. In my heart, I am grateful, so grateful for the love that keeps lighting up my way every day. Grateful, so grateful. You hear my dreams, even when they're only whispers in the breeze. You cheer me on, giving courage every time to carry on. Every step reminds me I am never on my own. I am grateful for each blessing, for the kindness that surrounds me every day. By your grace, I am grateful, so grateful for the peace that keeps filling all my days every day. Grateful, so grateful. For the mountains that I've climbed, for the valleys left behind, for the laughter and the hope along the way. Every moment helped me grow, more than words could ever show. Now my heart is overflowing as I sing. I am grateful.
Yo guys, naabot na mi diri sa La Carlota, na mi diri sa ilahang Our Lady of Peace Parish. So mo ni siya diri guys. Mga 19th century ni siya nga simbahan. Tara guys. Ato sudlon. Tara kaigta. Tay. Nindot kayo guys kay karaan nyo kayo siya nga simbahan. Makita pa nimo nga mga ang architecture design kay bricks pa kayo ang architecture design. Parokya San Nuestra Señora de la Paz. Guys, Okay na simbahan. Karaan dyan ba? Ito lang altar dito guys. And Kita diri sa kilid. Guys, nindot kayo pagkahimo. Panahon pa ni mga 1800s siguro ni. Gitukod na yung simbahan. Sa mga karaan nga simbahan sa Negros Island kani ang La Carlota.
Now my heart is overflowing as I sing. I am grateful for each blessing, for the hope that's growing brighter every day. With my song, I am grateful, so grateful for your love that will guide me all my days, all my days. Grateful, so grateful. Every sunrise brings another reason to rejoice. Every heartbeat lifts a thankful voice. Grateful, so grateful. Grateful, forever grateful.
So guys, maadto na mi sa mo ikaduha nga destinasyon diri sa La Carlota City. Adto na mo ang URC La Carlota Sugar Mill. Tara. So guys, namin diri ron sa URC La Carlota Sugar Mill. Mga diri guys ay. Na sila ay karaan nga train diri guys. Hi guys. So guys, uman nami dire. Padong nami pauli. Salamat kay sa oras Kita-kits na tapon. Amping permanente.
Bisaya na dako, way pakay, way magbuot.